friends, I've got some news to share with you today. Next week, I'll be taking a short break from December 1st to December 12th. This means our daily market updates and news podcasts will take a pause. I know many of you tune in every morning for market insights, but even iguanas need a vacation sometimes. This break will help me recharge and come back with fresh ideas for the channel. In this video, I will explain why CapitaLand Investment's latest Investor Day announcements could help you make smarter investment decisions in Singapore's real estate sector. If you're wondering whether CLI is worth adding to your portfolio in 2024, you'll want to stay until the end where I share my analysis of their ambitious $200 billion target. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I am Iggy here and I've been covering topics such as stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is featured and ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers with over 800,000 reads. I've covered over 500 videos and over 250,000 watch hours as of September 2024. Let's dive into CLI's performance since their listing in September 2021. The numbers are impressive. They've raised $17 billion in capital, split between $8 billion in listed funds and $9 billion in private funds. Their recycling strategy has been particularly successful in China, where they managed to recycle $11 billion, making up nearly half of their total $24 billion recycled capital. What's really interesting is how CLI has grown their funds under management. Starting at $87 billion during listing, they've expanded to $113 billion. That's a 30% jump. They achieved this through $15 billion in portfolio acquisitions and $11 billion through mergers and acquisitions. However, their fee-related earnings showed modest growth, increasing only 7% from $292 million to $313 million for the first 9 months of 2024. The lodging segment deserves special attention. CLI has opened more than 3,300 new units since listing, and their revenue per available unit has shot up by 48%. They've committed $150 million to asset enhancement initiatives, showing their dedication to property value optimization. Now let's explore the 3 megatrends CLI is positioning themselves for. The first is demographics. By 2050, 1 in 6 people globally will be over 60. This aging population trend creates massive opportunities in senior living, healthcare facilities, and income-generating assets. What's fascinating is how CLI is also targeting younger demographics. More than half of Gen Z travelers prioritize authentic experiences, which perfectly aligns with their Ascot, Citadines, and LYF brands. The second megatrend is disruption. Global supply chains are being redrawn due to geopolitical tensions. The logistics market is projected to reach $18.2 trillion by 2030. This benefits CLI's REITs portfolio, including CapitaLand Ascendas REIT and CapitaLand China Trust. The third megatrend is digitalization. Data center demand is booming, with global capacity expected to grow 22% annually from 2023 to 2030. CLI already owns 27 data centers and provides comprehensive in-house capabilities. Looking at their current market position, CLI's stock price stands at $2.80 as of November 25, 2024, with a market capitalization of $14.05 billion. Their enterprise value is $28.36 billion, showing significant potential for growth. Their ambitious targets for 2028 are what really catches my attention. They're aiming to double their fee-related business operating profit from $318 million to over $650 million. The total operating profit target is set to exceed $1 billion, with fee-related business contributing 60-70% of the total. What makes these targets credible is CLI's track record. Their recent acquisition of SC Capital Partners demonstrates their commitment to strategic growth. Their private capital raising has been impressive, with $1.6 billion raised year-to-date 2024, including over $900 million in just the third quarter. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth coverage of Singapore stocks and REITs. Don't forget to check out my previous video on building a REIT portfolio. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.